Let's be honest. Building a great company culture isn't about ping pong tables or motivational posters, and it definitely doesn't come from a textbook. It comes from the trenches. For over 30 years, I've been in the thick of talent acquisition and HR and people leadership. I've seen the messes, even been a part of them, as well as the breakthroughs and everything in between. So when I stand on stage, I don't bring cookie-cutter theories or magic wands. I bring real-world tested solutions. We're going to tackle the hard stuff, but we're going to do it with high energy, real talk, and a whole lot of fun. Leadership doesn't have to be buttoned up like a three-piece suit to be impactful. It needs to be relatable, actionable, and human. Together, let's stop reacting to the chaos and start leading our teams toward building a better culture.